Here you go.
A civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties/areas. Jefferson, at 7:08 p.m. on May 7th, 2016, effective until 8:08 p.m. Message from IPOSCAP. An incident has occurred at the Churchill Downs Horse Racing Complex in Louisville. Local authorities have reported that the racehorses at the Kentucky Derby have been mutated into zombie-like horse creatures. Residents within a 5-mile radius of the Churchill Downs Horse Racing Complex are advised to remain indoors and stay away from the complex until the threat has passed. Tune to local media for further information on the ongoing situation.